So guys, I'm discuss one important topic about that. How we can promoting your website with multiple location. SEO is called. Simple. I have to promote my content will be multiple locations in multiple places. So how we can do the SEO? First of all, the major question is called. So guys, this is a little bit give the option for the based on location wise. You can creating for your structure is more important. More is a preference. So in this purpose, any kind of website, suppose I'm selecting one kind of website will be Gayatri Mata Astrologies. So they're providing astro service will be UK, Bangalore, some location will be promoting for their business. So in this purpose, I have to create one blog will be in this option. The blog will be I'm writing for astrology in Karnataka, plumber in Bangalore. So I can promoting for different places. You can see I can promoting for n number of places. So here, if you come into this option, first option will be called this URI will be indexed or not. First, you can check the properly on Google. This is the first option. So this is a indexing will be very important. Where you can using for Google Search Console option. Google Search Console option. So that is called first you can go to your inspection and click for here Marthalli. So what the location you have to promote it. You can start for requesting on Google. So now starting in the promotion for doing for SEO off page. So I'm upload the content, my work is done. Not like that. You have to work on SEO off page is the major important key roles. So where you can find out SEO off page URLs will be if you go to my website into the blog option, this will be promotion part. They will be called SEO page. I'm writing a lot of blogs into the particular. So every blog I can read and we can implement after writing for blogs here. So these are all links will be here. 2021 links will be getting within soon. This link will be valid from your SEO off page promotion purpose. First of all, how is uploading for my content? First, you can prepare the content will be Word documentation. Which area you will be promote? You upload the content. So here we will be searching for my keyword where any kind of dynamic website, if you're promoting for multiple locations, the major key point is called we can writing for admin panel. So just I'm writing for admin panel here. This is admin panel. So here I have to promoting for UK states. Each and every state I'm promoting. Each state I'm writing for different kind of keywords. Different kind of keywords. That all mean by I have to promoting. This all will be state will be promoting. Same like that, I have to promoting my places in this. I have to creating one blog option. Why I'm creating blog? I have to create the structure on the particular place. On a particular place. So what are the content you can prepare anything in Word document before you have to prepare on the notepad. That is a major key point. So Control A and you have to upload in the content. I'm preparing for title, description, everything before. So who will be prepared? That is a depend on your particular things here. So that is a major important key point. So how is the people will be searching? Physician reader in Bangalore, physician reading service in Bangalore. So both will be. Suppose I can promoting more places in Bangalore nearby. We can promoting Karnataka and Marthalli. We can add the option will be into description part. So that is the major key points. So what are the service you have to provide? So compulsory keyword will be adding the particular option. This is a major key point. Keywords will be writing here. So what are the keywords are there? We can writing for keywords here. Upload image where you can image will be there. Go to the image format. So nowadays, email preparing also more important. This is a compulsory important. So structure I'm creating physician reader in Bangalore. So how people will be searching Google. First of all, we can go with the Google option. So guys, what are the major important key point is called Google and Search Console. This is a major key point. If you're not doing for these options, nothing will be work out on your particular options. So major key point is called you have to first of all check for every option will be in this major here. How the people will be used. Now this content will be prepared. Now click for submit. My first last content will be physician reader in Marthalli. So now will be the open will be in this structure. Copy this option will be start URL inspection. In this inspection, now will be start. Everything will be here. None of the anything but not available. Now click for request into index. They will be start request into index on your particular web page will be in Google search engine purpose. Now will be started will be in a particular option. So guys, who will be working for multiple locations, the structure will be created is very important. Others you can create them on place locations on the particular tab. Post the content will be in the particular option will be here. So I can promoting location in the particular state wise and location wise. If your entire state is there, go with the particular state is. I'm using for only UK state and Bangalore. Bangalore purpose I'm using for blog option. Uploading content will be blogs here. So content is very much important based on locations. Where you can promoting, what are the services you give and everything important in the particular description part. There is the location wise you create the URL structure. This is a major key point. Any content will be upload. After that, will be refreshing for control F5 will be 3 times. This will be compulsory. We can follow that any kind of websites. The structure will be follow for each and every locations and indexing everything and start the SEO of page using for these links that all will be help on the particular index here on the Google to people anyone will be search they show onto the search engine results. So link will be not index your worth will be not onto the search engine part. The major impact is called to will be submit anything onto the search engine by using Google Search Console option. The major key point we have to use into the Google Search Console option. Images purpose we can using Canva is there. We can making images. The proper size we can using 1024 into 512. You can start the size and based on your measurement, you can design the images by using Canva option. Happily we can create the design and make it upload the content along with image and promote it. These all will be kind of promotions onto the particular website. So anyone to worry about that I had to promote in multiple places. Everyone needs the URL structure. Go with the blog. The blog don't adding in the header if you are promoting location wise. If you're writing number of blogs, like your what is meant by astrology, that you can go with the blog option. Now I have to promoting for multiple. So I'm writing blog option, but in the future I can changing for different method. That is called our location areas as usual name, but the content will be writing for this client, they're writing for blog option. So this method we can use and promote anywhere in your business and getting leads with the multiple location. Don't forget any URL you will submit for your inspection on Google Search Console is a major key point. Next thing is called, so you have to optimize everything will be into the content with the proper URL structure to promote the multiple locations. So this method we can follow and optimize your keywords with the multiple location with the content is more important country wise or location wise state wise everything is possible. I tell you that one thing guys, suppose I'm in Hyderabad. I have to promote my business in US. I will be promote. The keyword building is more important. So I'm writing in my title and my website. I have to start with the promo SEO of page. Not like that. your URL structure is more important. So we promote UK, it will be showing UK, where anything the URL structure will be created from your website is a major key point that will be help to the particular website to index on the particular location when will be people will be search the easily show to the customer on your particular services. Don't forget any people, the first of all, what are the location you promote, the create the URL structure, write the proper SEO title and description, and market your website links, get the good results by using SEO off page. So I'm doing everything is correct. You say about that, sir, you say URL structure, everything. Here, some people asking one question. So I'm doing SEO often my link will be not submitted properly, it not indexed on Google. First of all, you can check it out. What are the issues you're facing? Coverage is more preference. Errors. What are the errors you will be faced and where it exceeded any points will be compulsory important. Everything will be currently crawl, currently not index. What are the issues? What are the URLs? You have to fix this particular options. Just to open and check with these options. So everything will where you can show with coverage. I have the 26. I have to find out and everything. And XML sitemap. Updation is more important when to an update for 131 links. So always update is the most of the important. Where you can find out, just you can go to my channel where into the you can simple search for youtube.com//digital Rakesh RTS. You can find out my channel will be here. You always watch my videos. In this every option will be there. You can find out and update the each and every content. So the structure will be follow to optimize the promote multiple location on your website. So clear guys, admin panel will be very important. Anyone to learn how we can making this kind of website, please contact me. I definitely will be support how we can making a website. So if you like the video, please like, share, subscribe. You can comment me any option. I definitely will be support. How is the comment your particular and how are you writing for admin panel, how you can making website in WordPress. I will support to earning money from to your website also and getting business from your website also. Thank you very much.